The Spectrum TV app lets Spectrum cable subscribers stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings on Apple TV 4th generation and later. First, download the Spectrum TV app from the Apple TV App Store. It's free for Spectrum subscribers. Once installed, launch the app and sign in using your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have an account, create one through the Spectrum website. After signing in, activate your device by visiting spectrum.net/activate on a computer or mobile device and entering the code displayed on your Apple TV. Finally, link your Apple TV to your Spectrum account, which might require two-factor authentication for added security. For sign-in, you'll primarily use your Spectrum credentials, but the app also supports single sign-on with your Apple ID for quicker access. Ensure your Apple TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Spectrum modem for optimal performance. The home screen presents a clean grid layout with key categories including live TV, on-demand, My Library for DVR recordings, and search. Navigate using the Apple TV Remote's touchpad. Swipe to scroll through channels and tap to select content. Siri voice commands are also available for hands-free navigation. Access the full electronic program guide to view TV schedules and set reminders for your favorite shows. Use voice search via Siri to find shows, movies, or actors quickly and easily. Manage your DVR by recording live TV, scheduling recordings, and streaming saved content from your library. Parental controls allow you to restrict content based on ratings or create separate profiles for family members. Accessibility features include closed captioning, audio descriptions, and voiceover for visually impaired users. The app requires a stable internet connection with at least 10 megabps for HD streaming. It's optimized for Apple's ecosystem, integrating with AirPlay for casting from iPhones. The latest version 6.2.1 includes improved streaming and 4K HDR support,